In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear OneNote cache location. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Firstly, we're going to locate the cache folder. This is where OneNote stores temporary data that helps speed up the application. Depending on your version and setup, the path to this folder might vary slightly, but generally it's stored in your user directory. A quick tip, if you're having trouble finding the folder, you can often locate it by going into OneNote settings or advanced options, where it might give you information about cache locations. You may also find it by searching for OneNote cache in your file system's search bar. Once you've found the cache folder, the next step is to open it. This can be done by double clicking on the folder icon, much like you would with any other directory on your computer. Inside, you might find several files that collectively make up the cache. Usually these files aren't named in a way that's easy to understand, but don't worry, that's normal. The key thing to remember is that these files are safe to delete when you're troubleshooting or performing maintenance like we are today. For the next part, you will want to select all the files within the folder. You can do this by clicking the first file, holding down the Shift key and then clicking the last file. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, which will select everything in the folder. Be cautious here, ensure you're only selecting files within this folder and not accidentally going up a directory level or highlighting something else. It is vital to realize that the information stored in these files is temporary, so removing them won't affect your saved or synced data. Once you have all the files selected, simply hit the delete key on your keyboard or right click them and choose delete from the context menu. A friendly reminder, any files you delete will typically go to your computer's recycle bin, so they're not gone for good just yet. It's smart to periodically check that bin and empty it to truly free up the space. After you've done this, restart OneNote. This gives the application a fresh start and allows it to rebuild the cache from scratch, now free of any clutter or outdated data. You should notice an improvement in performance and responsiveness. So there you have it. Clearing your OneNote cache is a simple yet effective way to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your OneNote experience back on track. See you next time.